Grill lovers, stop risking your health with wire bristles. Meet the Grill Rescue. BBQ Cleaning Head, bristle-free, safe, and smart. No more worrying about bristles breaking off in your food. First reason, safety. Bristle-Free Design keeps your family protected. Traditional brushes shed bristles. Grill Rescue eliminates that danger. Second reason, durability. This cleaning head is heat-resistant up to 600 degrees. Premium aramid fiber layer means it lasts through countless BBQ sessions. Even sticky, burnt-on residue is no match for this brush. Third reason, versatility. Works on gas, charcoal, pellet, ceramic grills, flat top, cast iron, stainless steel. This brush tackles them all. Steam cleaning technology makes grime removal easy and effective. Just heat your grill, dip the brush in water, and start cleaning. No harsh chemicals needed, just water and heat for powerful cleaning. Professional-grade quality trusted by thousands of grill masters. Ergonomic polypropylene handle gives you a comfortable, secure grip. Designed for frequent grillers and backyard chefs who demand the best. Replaceable Cleaning Head saves you money and reduces waste. A sustainable, cost-effective solution for serious grill enthusiasts. Dishwasher Safe. Cleanup is as easy as grilling your favorite steak. Firefighter designed for maximum safety and efficiency. Premium fire-resistant materials withstand high temperatures effortlessly. Heavy-duty performance for professional kitchens and home BBQ setups. Powerful degreasing and rust removal, your grill will look brand new. Water-activated cleaning pad lifts grime from hot grill surfaces fast. No more scrubbing for hours, get back to enjoying your barbecue. Patented bristle-free design means no more dangerous wire fragments. Premium scraper tackles tough, stuck-on residue with ease. Heat-resistant, ergonomic design keeps your hands safe while cleaning. Ideal for professional grill masters and frequent barbecue users. Dishwasher Safe design makes maintenance quick and hassle-free. Durable aramid fiber pad stands up to heavy-duty cleaning. Efficient cleaning performance for every grill type imaginable. Perfect for outdoor BBQs, backyard parties, and commercial kitchens. Enjoy worry-free grill cleaning for years to come. No more replacing brushes every season. Just swap the cleaning head. Save money and reduce waste with Grill Rescue's replaceable head. Serious grillers need serious tools. Choose Grill Rescue for results. Bristle-free design is recommended by grill experts everywhere. Heat-resistant up to 600 degrees. Clean while your grill is still hot. Works on porcelain, ceramic, cast iron, and stainless steel grates. Steam cleaning technology lifts grease and grime in seconds. No more wire bristles. No more food contamination risks. Professional-grade handle feels great in your hand, even during long cleans. Trusted by thousands of grill masters for its rugged durability. Make grill maintenance quick, easy, and safe every time. Innovative replaceable cleaning head extends the life of your brush. A top choice for anyone who loves grilling year-round. Add Grill Rescue to your BBQ accessories for peace of mind. Enjoy safer, more effective grilling with every meal. Say goodbye to dangerous wire brushes forever. Upgrade your grill cleaning routine with Grill Rescue's smart design. Perfect for busy families, backyard chefs, and pros alike. Steam cleaning means less effort, more time enjoying your barbecue. Heavy-duty cleaning power for even the toughest grill messes. Replaceable head means you'll never need a new brush again. Sustainable, cost-effective, and built to last. Firefighter designed for the ultimate in safety and reliability. Premium scraper and aramid fiber pad for unbeatable cleaning. Dishwasher Safe. Just toss it in after your cookout. Ideal for all grill types, gas, charcoal, pellet, ceramic, and more. No more wire bristle worries, just clean, safe grilling. Grill Rescue is the tool every grill enthusiast needs. Take control of your grill's cleanliness and safety today. Don't risk your health. Choose bristle-free cleaning for your family. Ready to make grill cleaning effortless and safe? Click the link, grab your Grill Rescue, and upgrade your BBQ game. Join thousands of grill masters who trust Grill Rescue for every cookout. Order now and experience the safest, easiest grill cleaning ever. Your grill deserves the best. Choose Grill Rescue for every barbecue. Safe, durable, versatile, Grill Rescue is your ultimate BBQ cleaning tool. Don't wait. Make your next barbecue safer and cleaner today. Click to buy now and enjoy worry-free grilling all season long. Grill Rescue, where safety, durability, and performance meet. Transform your grill cleaning routine with one smart purchase. Upgrade your BBQ experience. Choose Grill Rescue and grill with confidence. Ready for cleaner, safer, easier grilling? Tap to shop now. Grill Rescue, trusted by pros, loved by families, built for you. Make every barbecue memorable. Choose Grill Rescue for your grill.